So as businesses right now dealing with a crazy climate, how do they improve their public communication?
Okay, here we go. Today, I am going to be interviewed by Daymond John, one of the sharks on the Shark Tank.
You know, to answer exactly what you're saying, they may say, because I've gotten I must have had over 50 CEOs and or people of that level call me and say, I just didn't know. And I thought I was doing what I could and we gave in this area and we did this and this and that. But I got to improve the communication but I don't want to be fake.
So first and foremost, I will say that I am first a student. I do not have the answers, nor do I pretend that I have the next clear path. What I can say is that I have listened so intently, and in the past week and in the past month, the thing that I have discovered is that even though I love diversity with my members, I love diversity on my team, I love diversity in my friends. By me celebrating diversity, I'm happy with that. But what I wasn't doing was acknowledging the disparity. There's a difference between diversity and disparity. And if I don't have the chutzpah, if I don't have the ability to come out and say, I know it is harder for some people to build business, for some people to get a loan, for some people to rent a space on Main Street, USA. If I don't acknowledge that, then anything I say after that is going to be null and void. How do you start having conversations? You first admit that you don't know what you don't know. And then you make
Yeah.
yourself open and say, whatever you want to tell me, I'm going to be a humble student. I want to hear from you. And then what I want to do is I want to hold up a mirror and say, this business is for everybody's color and I want to serve you well. But if you don't see seen in my business, how can I see you in a different way? First ask, then respond, because it's going to look different for every business.